Good afternoon, all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, November 24th. We're looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and NQ. Very, very dominant performance by the Bulls today as they, with a clean sweep 8-0 win on the checklist sheet, they really controlled the day from the opening bell. Now we know the majority of it was short covering. As you can see, the P shape, but again, it's a P shape with emotional trading. As we go out with a double distribution day in ES, a triple in NQ. Righty goes out with a double distribution day. Now, Righty accomplished two things. They put the weekly back to balance and they put the daily up. So Righty has turned the corner potentially a little bit. Their monthly is balance, weekly is balance, and their daily is up. Okay? So very important. NQ put the daily back to balance, as did ES. We go out with nice buy tails, afternoon pullback, trend days, and NQ goes out with a price probe. Now, we took back, actually I never put the rest of it. We took back a good part of the trend day from the 20th, but did not fill it. So we have a trend day down from Thursday into and today's trend day up into it. Which one's going to get taken back? Well, if you think the Bears had their shot and now we're going to potentially go get all-time highs over the next 5 weeks, well, then the 20th should be taken back. If you don't think that's the case, and this is just short covering, then today should be taken back. So it all remains to be seen. NQ still leaves one huge set of single prints still above. So again, is today's triple distribution day going to be strong enough to hold to get into the remaining single prints from the 20th? Had a good day today, all from the long side. I missed the overnight high, but I had put a bid in to get it, and it went and got the overnight high, came back and got me before I could cancel it and went back up. So technically, I didn't get the overnight high, but I did good on the long. I took a long to get Friday's high and an ebb and flow, so a good A period. B period, long to get A's high and ebb and flow. C period, long to get the IB high, ebb and flow. D period, long against single prints. E period, same thing. And then the afternoon, I was long in G, H, and K, basically for the same reasons, with the single prints and looking for the afternoon pullback, potentially. We didn't have much of a pullback, right? F is our pullback in ES. It is an NQ also, although it's the lower end of the middle distribution. But never really pulled back much at all. You really had an underlying bid all day from these from short covering. And then chart-wise, so again, 2.5 days to go in the month since Friday's a half day. It's a 2-month balance. Markets don't go bull, bear. We're in a balance now for 2 months. In the S&P and the NASDAQ, Righty is a 3-month balance. The weekly is down still for ES and NQ, still down. Righty's back to balance. And the daily in ES and NQ is back to balance. It's a 3-day balance, okay? Thursday, Friday, today. Now, today's volume 70 million. We might end up doing average. NQ once again did over average. They had almost 57 million. They averaged 48. So still not horrendous volume. And even IWM got average volume. And tremendous ranges also. We closed in SPY right below the 50-day moving average. Triple Qs, $2 below it. So we'll see how that transpires going forward. Again, if you're going to use a prop firm out there, I recommend Tradeify. I am affiliated with them. The next time I get enough money to take out, instead of 10% to St. Jude's, I will give 15%. So use my code that's on the videos if you don't mind. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.